Hey boss, hey, I'm over here at FU Tommy Long. Do you know who's cutting the grass here? Well, somebody's cut the grass because they blew it all over the air conditioner coils. It's blown all over the porch in the back. It's blown, not only is it blown on the porch, they took the freaking zero-turn mower and ran it up on the porch and turned it around, and there's black tracks on the freaking porch of our brand new concrete. Well, I would like to know who cut, because, you know, just bullshit to go on top of the white concrete with black track marks. All that shit's all up against the house, so they didn't clean it off. They just left it there. It's blown up on the air conditioner. I mean, now the coils on the freaking air conditioner need to be cleaned, because that's just stupid stuff that we shouldn't be dealing with, especially if it's one of my freaking employees. All right, if you can address that for me, I would appreciate it. Thank you, sir. All right. So one thing I wanna caution everybody about is, if you look right here, these are brand new air conditioners. So if you look right here at this air conditioner, there's grass all over the side of it. Now, my office just told me we haven't had anybody cut this grass, but that's not true. There's track marks on this concrete where somebody did not take enough care or caution, even care the fact of what it is. Whoever blew that against it, if they do that 3 or 4 times, next thing you know, you got an air conditioner that's tripping out on high head pressure because it can't suck enough air through the coil to cool it. So pay attention to that stuff, whether you're at your house, wherever you are.